There we go. Okay, we are live. Project being created. Hello, one viewer. Yes, project being created. This might take some time. This is URP, so it's actually good graphics. So that's nice, at least. There we go. Hey, here we go. Still loading. Nice, nice. Okay, here we go. I'm thinking of project URP is gonna be like the first person shooter thing with the spin on it, which I'm planning on doing. So I'm gonna create a new folder called URP. This is where I'll put all the URP stuff in. This loads. Yeah, happy 4th of July, by the way, if you celebrate it. And drag this all into URP. Or ERP. Okay. Here we go. Compiling there. Great warning straight off the bat. Nice. Love that. And clear that. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna delete that. And I'm also gonna rename scene to test scene. Okay, so my idea for this game is just to have an FPS, but like I said before, with a spin on it. Don't quite know what the spin on it yet is, but I mean, I'll think of it sooner or later. Okay. Push crosshair, I want to enable all. Make that vignette a bit more. And I want to also add some motion blur with high quality intensity will be 0.15 and the clamp will be 0.1, excuse me. I think I want to add one more effect, and I think that'll be white balance temperature. Gonna turn that up to about 5. Tint. Oh yeah, I'll leave that at 0. Okay. That's all looking good. Now, actually start. So hold on. Graphics. Drag those two. And scenery, if I can spell. And I'm gonna create a ground object. Probably use Pro Builder for this. I'm really not that good at Pro Builder, so whatever, why not? Bring that to ground, and just gonna stretch that out. And the main camera, gonna remove that simple camera controller and reset its positions. Okay, and I'm also gonna decrease the near clipping planes. Just like that. Okay, anti-aliasing. I do not want aliasing, so set that to none. I want some rigid edges to my objects. Okay. That's looking all good. I'll just create my player character now, I guess. So I'm gonna create a new empty object, rename it to player, and add a character controller onto there. And I'm gonna move the player up. Bear with me. 1.3 by 1.6, 1.3, and I want to create a new cylinder over there called graphics, and then I'll move the player up. Okay, looking good. I do want a material on the player, so let's do that. Rename the material player, even though that you can't even see the player in the first place. I also want a new material for the ground. Let me do that really quick. Okay, looking pretty good. I do want to add a lighting tab, so I'll go into Window, Rendering, Lighting, and go to Environment, and I will turn off fog. Okay, there we go. I don't really like fog. Yeah, sort of grays out that, which I didn't really want. Okay, so then I want to right click on the player, and I want to create a ground check for the player, like that, and then drag that right out to the player's feet. That was almost perfect. Okay, that was pretty nice for now. Okay, and now I'll drag the main camera under the player, just like that, and I'll drag the main camera up to about the player's head. Okay, I want to add a new component to the camera called mouse look, and I also want to delete the simple camera controller script. I'm not going to be using that anytime soon. Okay, delete that, and I will attach the mouse look to my main camera. I'll also make one more script for later called player movement, and I'll attach that script to my player. Okay, and I'm not adding a rigid body or a collider to my player because it already has a collider, which is our character controller, and I'll add a gravity through script. Okay, so for the mouse look, I already have a script for this, so I'm just going to copy and paste that into there. Same thing with the player movement, just the basic stuff. Okay, also going to open up the player controller, the player movement. Okay, here we go. So, player movement. Copy all that. And this is from a Brackeys tutorial, by the way. So, I'll put a link to it in the chat. There it is. Okay, there's the tutorial link in case you wanna, use it or anything. So yeah. Okay. There we go. Okay, and then, so now I need the mouse look. This is also from the Brackeys tutorial. Copy that. Paste that in there. Okay. That's the main script that I'll do for the player. I will do more scripting, you'll see, for shooting and other things that you'll see in the future. Okay. First of all, I'll do the mouse look. So the only thing I want the intensity to like 325, dragging the player body. Then dragging player controller. Ground check, and I'll make a new layer for ground. Ground. I'll add this ground to the ground layer. And I'll also set the ground to negative 20. Okay, I don't like 40 jumps, so that's why I'm doing that. Oh, it lagged right there. I'm gonna choose lag, lag, lag. Still feel like the turn of sensitivity. Set it to like 450. And in the main game, I hope they'll add the option for a mouse sensitivity slider. There we go. Okay. I think I like that. Okay. So before I actually make the weapon, I won't be importing it out. It's me making it. I want to add a crosshair to the center of the player's screen. So I'll make a new empty object and rename it to UI. Then I want to create an image, and I'll replace this image later with a crosshair. Scale screen size 120 by 1080, my current screen size. And I'll make that screen 0.05, and I'll call it canvas, main canvas. Then I'll rename the image to crosshair, and I'll make this default knob, which again I'll change later, so it doesn't really matter. I'll set it to like 35 by 35, make that black, and transparent, 25 by 25. Okay, not bad. Okay, now, since I have Blender, why not use it and make a gun model? Okay, this Unity has all of a sudden turned into a Blender. I'm gonna delete all those things. Then I want to create a new cube, which will be called body, and I'll just make like a rifle. I will need a reference image though. I'll search up cartoon rifle, so yeah, if guy doesn't come looking for me. Okay. That was pretty cool. I think might go to that a bit later. I'm not sure, why not? Download the image. FBI, please don't come for me. This is not for what you think it is for. Okay. So then I'll go into Blender. And I want to import, not that. Open my files. I completely forget how to import images. Oh, like that. Okay, that's nice. Probably a shortcut for doing that, but shortcut. Oh, that's not what I want. Use that, yep. Okay. I'll set the Y. The Y is different on Blender. I have set the Z to 0, and also the X to 0. Set the Y to 0. I'll also scale up this image. It's about right there. Then I'll do that. I'm gonna go to the side view. So scale that down. So scale that out. Okay, going to go into object mode. I'll grab those 2 points. Okay, that one's good right there. Slice that, slice that. Slice those 3. Okay, let's see. So, I need to grab those 3 right there. Go into side view, other side, and it's gonna move those out and down. Well, selected one too many. Okay. Well, okay. I'll select these now. Side view. Drag that out. Then drag that out, up. That did not mean to grab that. Drag that back down. And out. Like that. Okay. Grab those. Oh, too far. Out like that. I'll make the stop a little bit later. Okay. That was pretty nice. Well, nice for now. It doesn't look that good now. Oh, okay. Okay. I think I'll make the barrel now. So, go into there. Add a cube. And I'll call this barrel. And in case you're wondering how the shortcut for that, it's Shift A. Actually, yeah, Shift A. Okay. Go to object mode. Actually, I don't think I needed that yet. Drag that out. Scale that down and out. Drag that up, and there we go. That looks a little weird. Okay, object mode. Slice, slice, slice. One more time, slice. Okay, object select. I want to select the middle one actually. Actually, I'll select all of those. We'll actually make a new cut, loop cut, whatever. It goes right there. Okay, move that to the side. And move that. Oh, yeah, I don't like that. I think what I'll do is I'll just move that in. It sort of looks like a barrel, I guess. I don't like that though. Like I said, the barrel will just basically be a cube. Okay, perfect. So now, I think I'll just make the top, so this part up here. Handhold, I guess. Feels like a weird name to give it, but scale that down. Scale that across. Beautiful. Need some loop cuts. Okay, let's see. I'll take those three and I will scale those in. Then I will take, let's see, I'll take this entire cube, scale it like that. Those three, scale them in. And then I think I'll start to do the back. Take those three. Scale it in about right there. Take these three. Yeah. Okay. I don't think I'll add these two things right there. Oh yeah, now I remember what I want to do. Take those, sort of scale them in. Scale those in. Not sort of like that. Okay. Also do that. That. Okay. Just like how I did with the part that I just did. Do that. Same thing with the bottom. Okay, there we go. And I will add a hole for that right there. Okay. Okay. I'll add the hole actually right now. First, let me save this. I think I might actually have one pre-made. That one. Doesn't I have any folders? I'll call this rifle. Save Blender file. Okay. I think I might actually just. Yeah, I'll make a new. What's it called? Hand hold hole. Then scale that like that. Okay, just like that. Then I'll add a modifier to this called the Boolean modifier. Do you remember how to add modifiers? Yep, right there. Actually, yeah. Add modifier, Boolean, then hide that. There we go. Now you can see right through it. Okay, I'm actually gonna change the shape of that. Not caps lock. Okay. Bing, bada bing, bada boom. What about there we go. Okay. That. Nope, don't want to move it. Okay, I sort of want to move that in. Okay, I'll go back into object mode, scale that out, move that, and hide it. There we go. That was a little better, I guess. Okay, and wow, it's gonna annoy me. I won't really want to scale that. Okay, there we go. That looks much better. Yeah. Just 3D model my own weapon. Just kind of hard. That's why I have a reference image. So FBI, please don't comment. I made that joke only 3 times now. Okay. I'll make the stock now. Rename this to stock. Nope, not stalker. I said that in my head and I actually wrote it out in real life. That's good enough. Okay. Side mode. Gonna scale that down and out. Gotta make this perfect. There we go. Okay, that should be pretty good. Okay, gonna go into object mode. Gonna create some slices. Make some loop cuts, and I have no idea what Zork is, so refresh my recollection, please, if you can. Don't want that loop cut. Okay. I want to select those. Which side view again? I'm going to side view 1. Move that back. Then I want to select those. Oh. Move those down. Okay. These side view is gonna kill me. That's gonna be my downfall. Okay, then you want to select those side view, and I'm gonna move that down to about there. And I want to create one more loop cut. So edit mode, already there, of course. And let's see. And move that. Okay. That's pretty nice. It's taking form in a way. Yes, I am controlling using the keyboard and mouse. Okay, I know some Blender. I'm not like I don't do this like every single day, but I mean, I sort of know it. I did it for a little bit, so that's why I'm getting this kind of fast. Okay, I have all that. Gonna create a new object, called magazine, right? Yeah. Okay, scale that in, scale that up and down, do that, and I'm gonna curve it. Okay, loop cut, loop cut, loop cut. I think we're fine with that. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go back into object mode actually, did not mean to exit out of there. We're gonna have a fun time selecting these. Not selecting anything else. Okay, there we go. Okay, I got something. Gonna move that down. Curve that. Then I'm gonna select these. There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay. Select those. Bada bing, bada bing. I think we're actually fine with that. That was pretty nice. Okay, and then I just make the handle. That's pretty much it. Yeah, nice. Then I can actually show the code, which is something that I'm actually somewhat good at, unlike Blender. Okay, trigger case. I don't know. I don't have a name for it. Oh yeah, I also want to, actually make material for this, so it's not just all plain one color. Shoot, I can't texture though. I don't know how to texture. Okay, that's not a good thing. Okay, gonna do that. Okay, now let's go into object mode. Ba-boom, 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 ba-boom. Okay, and now do all of that. Oh. Okay. Okay. It's kind of weird. Select those. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh. Okay, starting to take form, I guess. That's really pixely. That's not high quality at all. I love it when images say high quality. Then we bring them into like a game or project or something. They're extremely low quality, like pixely. Like this is not what I asked for. Okay. that. Oh, that's actually fine right there. Okay. We need those. Put that down. Put that right there. Right there. Select that and that. There we go. Okay. Gonna move that to that right there. Select these two. Move that to about right there. Oh, finally, last one. I can add some materials and actually start programming. Jeez. Okay, there we go. Okay. Looks pretty nice. Just gotta add that part now. That shouldn't be too hard, just a cube with a hole in it. Not a plane. Cube. Okay, like that. Then I want to make a hole in it. So, I'll just, trigger case 2. Then I'll duplicate that, or Control C, Control V. Trigger case hole. Oh, I want to scale that out. That, scale that in. Scale that in. Move that down. Like that. And then I want to select the case, add a modifier, a Boolean modifier. There we go. Now if I hide that, there we go. Okay, there's my model. Now I can actually delete the picture and start making some textures. Hi, Sam. Okay, using Blender. Okay. Time to start adding some materials. New, I'll call this body, ignore the background noises. Okay. Now, make that darker, go into objects. Make that darker, more metallic. Okay. Pretty nice for now. Oh yeah, no face cam. Sorry about that. Video. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. We're almost there, we're almost there. Down, down, down. Okay. Yes, yes it is. USB. Boom, there we go. There's my beautiful face. Gonna store that away in the corner down there. And I'll keep adding materials to this weapon. Barrel. That's right. If I did not name this, then I would completely forgotten what that was called. And the FBI would not be on my case. Metallic. Yes, yes, nice, nice. Okay, gonna change the material for that. Handhold. I have no idea what the heck that's called. It just showed up in the image, so I'm like, why not? Then I added it. Okay. I'll make this like a lighter color. for the magazine. I can spell. Here we go. Okay, it's gonna be a lighter color with metallicness. These, I'm gonna say, are low poly guns. Definitely not terribly modeled. They're just low poly. That's what they are. Yep. Stock, if I can spell. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Increase that. Okay. Nice. Handle. Why did I name it handle? Handle. Trigger case? What? It's a handle. Do like a wooden color, I guess. Almost zero spectral. Okay. Cube. Oh, don't want that. Oh, it's staying there. Why not? Can't figure out how to get the material off, but so I can't get it off. It's staying there. Okay. I'm gonna add a few last minute details to my weapon. If I can figure out how to use this tool. What is going on? Ah! What now? Oh gosh, what's happening? What? Get me out of this tool! Ah, thank you. I didn't like that experience. Face select. Oh, that's not good. You want details? It's a low poly. At least that's what I'm calling it. Sure. Sure, that's a good enough weapon, I guess. Gonna save that. I definitely feel like it's missing something. More. I need more Boolean modifier. And probably gonna look pretty terrible, but more. Yeah, I like these strips on the gun. Okay. We'll see Control V. Bada bang. Gonna do that on the other side. There we go. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the Boolean modifier. Oh, modifiers, I lost it again. Oh, there it is. Boolean. The bing. Hide that. There we go. Another Boolean. Boolean, I don't know. And saying Boolean and Blender is kind of weird. Because it means something completely different in programming. So yeah. Okay. In case you want to know what it means in programming, true or false variable. And if you know what that is. Okay, hide that. Add one more Boolean modifier. Do that. Do that. Okay. That's good enough. It's not great, but it's good enough. And I am accepting good enough. So, yeah, why not? Okay, save that. And let's export that as... So okay. I'm good at making everything else except for exporting it. Okay, let's try STL. Export STL. I don't remember the file format at all. Okay. Right click in the project and import folder. Okay, desktop. 3D modeling. I hope that's right. Oh, I can just use it as a Blender file. Yeah, hold on. Just gonna drag that in. I don't need to make an STL. What am I doing? There it is. Oh, and it looks kind of weird because I still have to delete the non-boolean objects. Okay. Yeah. Oh, what do you mean error? Whatever. I'm just gonna keep going. Why not? Let's just ignore that. Okay, gonna unpack that completely. I'll never do that again for my own sanity. And parent the rifle to the main camera. Reset. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's too big. And the colors look so weird. What happened? Are they too metallic-y? They are. Okay. Deleting that rifle, and I'm changing these metallic colors because they don't look good. Yeah, see, it looks like this. There's no light source. Okay, yeah, I'm changing these metallic values. Wow. I'm gonna go this reference without any of the lighting. That is exactly what it looks like inside of Unity. Okay, that's the barrel for the body. Oh, a little bit darker. There we go. Okay. What's going on there? Oh, there we go. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, hold on, I'm doing that weird thing again. There we go. Okay, nice, nice. The last piece. Just gonna make it a little bit darker. Okay, there we go. Last piece. Oh, it's good enough. Okay. Can make that about the same color. There we go. Okay, gonna save that. And now import it into Unity, because I'm actually somewhat smart now with Blender. I guess. I'm gonna have some 3D modeling enemies. Oh shoot, I did not think this game through at all. Okay, let's see, how long can I keep the stream running for before, I absolutely get destroyed by Blender. Okay, there's that. There we go. Okay, the weird colors are fixed. You have to make them extremely light. Don't like that. So, to paste that in there. Definitely looks weird. I'm gonna fix that right quick. Ooh. Cube one. Bada bing. Okay. And bada bing, bada boom. And there we go. Okay. It's back to normal now. Do you want to right click and add a fire point for the shooting? And I made this gun backwards. Okay, that's nice. So shoot. Welcome to a crew weapon called Rifle, and rename this to Graphics. And parent that. Write that in. Bada bing. boop, buddy bop. Drag that all the way forward. So the camera can actually see it. Oh, oh, facing the wrong way. Okay. Wait, the player facing the wrong way? I'm trying to with that camera scale. What the heck? What was that about? Oh. Yes. Thank you for that. Lost my focus. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Hey, can you see? Okay, gonna. Why'd you make me lose focus? You hocus pocus me too well. Oh, which camera? Okay, well, what did I just say? Which is the camera facing? There we go. Ha, found it. Found it. I know the way the camera's facing, so I'm the best. There we go. There's the rifle. So, oh gosh, that looks ugly. That looks so bad. Oh no. The colors are so weird. Rifle looks pretty terrible. Okay, check box 1, I guess. Hey, why is the fire point all the way up there? There we go. Perfect. Okay, I'll add a what? Gosh, what does this scale? I have to rescale it. Okay, that wasn't so bad actually. Wow. Yeah. I mean, I've seen a lot better. It's fine. I mean, it's a fine weapon. It's a fine weapon. Okay. So I'm gonna add a weapon component to that. Hold on. Okay. Oh, component. Okay, yeah. Oh, sure. Okay. Now we can actually start. Now we can actually start going. There we go. Okay. Open up the weapons. Thank you. Open, please, now. There we go. There we go. Okay. Yes. I don't think there was an ad. I'm not, at least I'm not being paid yet. So there was an ad. Being paid. Okay. Through this weapon. Baraki is gonna help guide me through this. Question mark indeed. I have to agree thoroughly with that question mark. That question mark spoke to me right there. Actually, what I can do, oh my gosh, another project that I can take this from. There we go. It's so beautiful. The pan noise, yeah. No, that was nothing. That was nothing. It's so beautiful. Indeed, yes. See, the project's opening. That's nice. I'm gonna take down this tab. So yeah, that was reference. That was reference. That tab was only for reference and nothing else. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here's my reference for the weapon. Okay. Here we go. Oh yeah, sorry, turn my face cam again. Paste that in. Gonna close that prod now. That's all I needed it for. That's nice, I guess. Just don't do that too much. You might get your finger bitten off. Okay, now I'm just gonna print, hit dot transform dot name. Cause you know, I don't have anything right now. I'm just pasting things from other projects that I have. Cause I'm not really willing to, you know, actually make original scripts right now. Originality, that's for the weak. They are. Yes. Okay. There we go. There we go. Distance 1,000. This all now 800. Damage 1. It doesn't do anything yet, so I'm happy. Fire rate 0.12. Okay, now time to create a muzzle flash. Muzzle flash for my weapon. Effects, particle system. Wait, what was that? Light 2D? They have. Yes! Oh my gosh, they finally have 2D lights now. That took forever. And I'm guessing you don't know what I'm freaking out over, but believe me, if you were me, it would be worth it. What is all of this? Okay. Gonna set that to 2.2. Mission set to 0. Gonna go through this really fast because I don't care about special. Gonna move. You know what? I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna move it to the tip of this gun. Weapon. I'm not legally allowed to say gun. Okay, here we go for the shape. 0 for the radius. Perfect. Then I'll go into materials. Stop talking. Name it muzzle flash. Set to a nice orange. Check the emission tab. Set to a nice orange with the intensity of 1. I don't know why it's still up under open. I really have no idea. I just started making this an hour ago. Yeah, I know. It's just been random nonsense. I don't know what we're talking about anymore. It's just random. Okay, for that render, muzzle flash. There we go. Finally, that looks pretty nice, actually. Kind of like that. Just saying. 0.15. Size over lifetime. Bing. That's a bit fast. Probably good. We're gonna be shooting a lot. Speed 0. Nothing will ever win. Start rotation. There it is. Found it. Found it. Okay, perfect. Start size between 0.85 and 1.75. I'll double set the lifetime something higher. Yeah. Yeah, I don't really believe that. I mean, for the video, yes. This guy definitely made the game. Please ignore the sounds in the background. This is for your own safety. You want for the size of our lifetime. set it with that. Then I'll make it a curve. Just like that. I guarantee that you have no idea what I just did. Okay, for the muzzle flash, make that a prefab. Drag that in. Delete that from the scene. And for the rifle, I'll drag that in. Dogs. Yes. They're my favorite. But I sometimes want to strangle them. There we go. Pew 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 pew. Pew pew pew. Real smooth. Okay, I'll send the intensity to higher because these are bright things. So. Oh my god. Okay, that might be a little bright. Maybe a little bright. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's not too bright. What are you talking about? 2. Let's see how that looks. Jeez. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, keep going, keep going. I need more streams like this if you guys want. It's going, bottles going through the ground. Wow, that looks pretty nice actually. The first nice particle fight that I've actually made in a long time. Prefabs. No looping. Image space. World sort of actually looks decent. Order in layer 10. So it appears above the ground, maybe. It's called knockoff. That's nice. You're a jelly character and you knock people off a platform. That's not very nice. That's not very kind. Don't bully for your own pleasure. Bully because you have to. For the money. There we go. That's a nice muzzle flash. That's a nice muzzle flash. It's all good, man. It was perfect. That looks perfect. It's the perfect muzzle flash. Yeah, Sam. If you're the Sam that I know, then here's a little sneak peek on what we're gonna do next Tuesday. Okay. So if you want to follow along right now in your project, perfectly fine. Now we're doing some coding instead of copy and pastery. I love that. Hit spark. Yes, that's what we're doing next week. Hit spark. Wait, what am I doing again? I'm helpless. I'm actually helpless. Gosh. I'm gonna get distracted again. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so here's a distraction that we're gonna do next week. The hit spark, okay? You got a sneak peek and now you can follow along whenever you want. You can also pause. That's nice. Game object effect geo is equal to instantiate. I thought it hit spark, right? Yeah, I think so. Hit dot point with this huge monster. Quaternion dot look rotation. Hit dot normal. I definitely know what that means. Destroy the effect after 1.5 seconds. Very weird number. But why not? There's an ultimate question. Please tell me yes. Ask me the ultimate question. into the big void from Minecraft, I guess. I don't know where I was going with that. It just came out. Okay. I'm gonna make my hit spark now. If I can spell. Okay, let's move this. Gonna set that. Oh, select. Set that to looping. 1.25. Oh my god. Now that's a machine gun right there. 0. Oh, that's as fast as it goes. Oh. Hold on. I think I need it faster on me. $30 shots per second. The muzzle flash is gonna blow up. Yep. Oh yeah. Hold on. 1,500. Have laser eyes? You know what? For once, that's a good idea. I actually like that. I'm gonna do that. I'm not close to. Oh my. What? 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 Hold on. 15,000 bullets per second. It's not even lagging yet. What? I'm gonna multiply that by 100. So, 1 million raycasts does not lag the game, apparently. I think I'm gonna challenge that. That's a snake trail. Can multiply by that by that. Oh my gosh, we're getting into the E plus things. Oh. Why not? It's invisible now. I'm gonna put on the fire rate. That feels, yeah, it is. Not a super cut me up. Okay. Yeah, that's why I definitely slowed down the ball. I don't know what was happening. There we go. See, I like that. Not flamethrower over here. I do want to increase the perk. Okay, that should be good. Yeah, we're not doing flamethrowers here. Okay, let's be real. We're only doing rocket launchers, bazookas, pretty much flamethrowers. Okay, pretty nice. I do want. I'm never happy with this fire rate. You're too high or too low. It's never just right. There we go. That's the one time where it's just right. And I'm getting no references because I don't have a hit spark yet, and it's kind of annoying me. So yeah, let's do a hit spark now. It's a serious matter. Oh, right. That's where I left off. Forgot. Blowing the ground up. Okay, first of all, yeah, I can make that a lot smaller. Smaller. It's so pretty. It's so cute. There it is. Actually, I really like that. That was quick. Quick and painless. There we go. Hey, let's try this. My dog's almost sleeping, but not quite. His eyes are rolled back in his head, but they're not quite shut. There we go. Shooting the sun down. Okay. Pretty nice. Have some hit sparks that are not distinguishable from the muzzle flash. I mean, you're not wrong. You're not wrong at all. So here is what I'm gonna do. Oh, hold on. I just missed something. The number was too high. Yep, the number is too high, folks. What if I just multiply that by 2? Hold on. Yeah, just go straight to 0. Okay, just gotta manually do that. Okay. Almost pi. Not really. Okay. So, how's your city doing there, Sam? I think it's gone. I think it's just been obliterated. Okay. Fills children. Yes, that's what you call funny, killing children. That's very dark humor. Okay. Okay, let's talk about the game more. Let's add some recoil. The non-fun parts. I don't like doing this because it's always, for some reason, it's so difficult for me and I cannot do it. So, going to YouTube. Oh, the guys that was on stream earlier. Okay, don't know what he's saying. Hey, here I am. Okay, well, let's watch me doing random stuff. And unmute.
Let's have some recoil. The non-fun
Hey
part.
me,
I
hey
don't
me,
like
hey
doing
me.
this because it's always difficult for me and I cannot do it.
That's
So,
a lot louder than I thought.
go to YouTube.
Okay, I want to hear my echo first.
The guys that was on stream earlier.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
Oh, there won't be an echo because it's so
Hey,
delayed.
here I am. Okay. Well, let's watch me doing random stuff.
Oh.
And unmute. Let's have some recoil. The non-fun
Hey
part.
me, hey me, hey me.
Oh,
I thought that was an actual echo.
And I cannot do it.
Oh, that's
So,
a lot louder than I thought.
go to YouTube.
How about easy recoil, not, you know. Think I know someone who has a tutorial on that. Okay, yep, not willing to. No, Okay, he has a whole tutorial on how to make like a top-down shooter, and he makes recoil on that. So yeah, it's gonna bibbidi bobbidi. Your code is not my property. Playlists. Is it here? Yep. And yes, I have done this whole tutorial series, but like, and the game was awesome. I cannot get the health bar to work, but it was awesome. Okay, I think I might have deleted it though. All my hard work is gone. But recoil and reloading. Here it is.
Introducing Speechify.
Okay, don't want to hear you. Bye, Mr. Commercial. I know. The poor children are still. Sorry about that. Ow, right here. Oh, okay. I don't hear this guy's voice. It's very calming, very mellow.
Let's see. Okay, so at about one, and we'll put that greater than, and just because, and see how that's looking. Nice. Going to do that in the gun script. So how this is going to work is.
Oh, you know what? Again, I have another project to open, because I have another project to actually do. And the project I'm referring to is actually Game Jam from last year. I think it's this one. I made a first-person shooter game about turning back time. What's your Discord? Your favorite word? Unity. Jump up. My favorite word. My favorite word. I'm thinking on it. My favorite word. My favorite word is. My favorite word is population, apparently, according to Google. Oh, no, it's promotion. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, that's my favorite word. Okay, my favorite word is now pain. Hey, here's the game. Oh, I made a custom cursor. That looks absolutely terrible. It's the default mouse. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay. Weapon holder. Oh my gosh. The rewinder. Okay. That's actually not a bad name for it. Yeah, in case you didn't hear, my favorite word is pain, apparently, for Google. Can you just open? Close that. Pain. Yep. Ugh. Webcam, what happened to you? How long have you been like this? All the way up here, now looking at my handsome face. Okay, recoil. So where's the recoil? Is that it? Oh, nope, there's stuff up here. Okay, I'm like, geez, that was easy. Nope. Okay. Actually, it's still easy. Wait update, call literally right after the updates. It's basically useless, but no one uses it. Copy that. Paste that. I'm gonna make a whole new function for one single line called recoil. And this entire function will hold one single line of code. Love that. So I can make it seem easier on myself, this spammer. I am the spammer. Okay, let's see. I made a slider, apparently, for the recoil amount, because I need a slider. To keep consistent, I'll also make this a slider. I'll also make a header. For weapon. Or shooting. Header for particle effects. Okay, man. It should be good. Oh yeah, we also need this. One line of code that does basically nothing except a reference that leads to nothing. Yeah, why not save that? And let Unity compile high. Yep. Because I am the spammer. That's the only reason I wrote that. Okay, this recoil should work, and if it doesn't, then I'm helpless. Well, that didn't seem to work. What? Oh, that's why I added a weapon holder. So that wouldn't happen. Okay, that's very good to know. Gonna copy that position and reset. Gonna paste those values to main camera, rifle, bada bing, rifle, blah, blah, blah. Okay, now the recoil should work, hopefully. And see, Sam, the cursor is not showing up on the side. And yes, oh, that recoil. Oh, I need camera shake. And you can do that? Hold on. I discovered something new. You can do that. I can spam my own chat with only one space. I love that. I'm gonna do that from now on. My own chat, because if I do that into other people's chat, then they'll just ban me. So yeah, that's fun. Okay, now to add some camera shake. And for this, I need a camera holder as well. That's nice. So many holders. It should be a holder for all the holders. If that makes any sense. Okay, bada bing. Bada boop. Bada bop. Camera holder. Bada bing. Oh, bada bing. There we go. Okay. Now, I have to import something. I think I already have it saved though. The Easy Camera Shaker. And it's taken off the asset store for no apparent reason, even though it works super well. Okay, I'll continue. Also, the camera shaker. Camera switcher, that's a thing. Oh, my dog. Eating something. Okay. Need another wood camera shake for 1 line of code. Again, I think you'll love to hear that. Camera shake. I need to import Epitot using easy camera shake. 1 line of code. Camera shaker dot instance dot shake once. And then I need all these variables for camera shaking. Header, camera shaking, header for recoil, public floats, shake magnitude, all these boring variables that I have to write every single time. It just gets a little irritating. Because there's so many variables. And I can just... I'm not talking to myself. I'm not going insane just yet, guys. Show the dog. Yes. They want to see you. Dog. Unnamed dog that will not name. Yeah, hold on. Shake magnitude. Hold on, guys. He's tired. Shake fade in and shake fade out. Okay. Show the dog now. That's a bit big. I'm getting. Oh. You can oversize things? Why didn't I know about this? There he is. Oh. There I am. Okay. Unnamed dog. Hold on. Unplug all these things. Yeah, it's not long enough. Well, here is unnamed dog over there. Biting as a rope. Actually, this might torture him just a little bit. You know what? No. I love my dog and I'm not gonna torture him. He's tired and I will respect that for right now. He's tired until he eats or gets a treat. Then he's magically not tired. All dogs work. Okay, speaking. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Okay. Forget where everything is. Magnitude 7, roughness 10, 0.1, 0.35. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Hold on, I'm just going to graphics. Let me just. Boop. Okay. There we go. He's very fond of biting the dog. And barking. Okay, what I think I do, if I actually know how to do this. Okay, yeah, I do, okay. Okay, let's add a new layer to the player. No, this object, and the graphics. Then for the coding mask, set that to if the player's not, the camera cannot render the player. I think that's right, and if it doesn't, then yeah, there we go. That is way too shaky. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I did that for the game. Okay, that should be much better. Not nauseating. Here we go. And no, I'm not gonna make it recall up. Oh yeah. Tell me the secrets. Okay. So this stream has been pretty long. I think I'm gonna end it here though. It's almost 90 minutes, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it here. Yeah. Bye guys, and I'll be streaming this again. Probably not tomorrow. Probably not next. You know what? Probably next week. Yeah, I have a whole week off next week, so why not? Okay. So that is it.